to grow my money out just like my hair. No time I no drink cause I throw that shit on and land. Pull up to the red light with two bitches cause I like them in bed.
Got a real awesome movie. It's 12.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright. What's good, YouTube? We got Bambino in
Yeah, I'm a cameraman.
Very young. We gotta go to the ATM. So I get some
Don't find me to no for this shit.
You can start recording. I'm finna just find this stuff.
Copyright.
We can have a little big. I don't care about copyright. These men hot brothers, man. Yeah, chat, we finna go get cut. Well, I'm about to. There we go. Look at them.
Hey, what are you talking about? You ain't got a baby? Come on, bro. Show him, buddy. Show him.
What? Yeah.
He's filming a YouTube video right now. Yeah. I'm a cameraman. Gang. I'm just a cameraman.
I can't see nothing, bro. I think I'm good. You do got BBC though. I want to give me a BBC.
Yeah, it was on sale. It was on sale. At Fox's, it was on sale. It was like $90 some dollars.
I give you some dirty.
This bar is crispy, bro.
Who did on the shop?
Yeah, the Africans.
That's all I need to do.
You still filming? Yeah.
Yeah, man. We finna go get cut. I'm finna be crispy. I don't know if I should get my high top or just keep my tape.
Yeah, man, it's pretty cold right now.
Yeah, man. We're in the city. We should go to Walmart.
Yeah, do some pranks.
Yeah, let's do some funny stuff at Walmart.
like you ate my booty tonight last night.
Huh?
like you ate
Or
my.
we can do the chupapi.
Oh yeah, chupapi munyanyo. Daddy munyanyo.
Going on winter grind, man.
No, but I need to start posting more. I don't be knowing what videos.
I'll be searching up RellioTV every day. you don't.
Hey, YouTube, man. We be trying to do collabs. We be playing.
Y'all ain't got no YouTube channel. Shut up, bro. You ain't got no YouTube channel.
You need to get a camera.
No.
I'll be a real cameraman.
When I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll buy a camera.
Then I'm gonna be a real cameraman.
Yeah.
They going slow, bro. I'm finna
Bro, you see what when Mikey quit at YouTube?
He ain't not quit. He just don't post no more.
Oh, yeah, he got a warehouse. That boy beastie. Jay Slutty bought him a car.
Yeah. Hey, what percent my phone is on? What percent my
Oh, when you done get cut, you can go right to Walmart. Right?
Yeah. After I get my haircut, we finna go to Walmart and we gonna try to get kicked out of Walmart.
Yeah.
At Freighter in the medical
I'm
college
recording.
of Wisconsin, by listening more closely and caring more deeply, we can make more.
Yeah, Chad, we just got a haircut.
You.
Whoa, whose door open? Oh, it's mine. Wait, should we go to Walmart?
Yeah.
I think we'll have with the mask, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go to the house first so I can change my pants.
Yeah, then we go to Walmart.
So I can run.
Yay!
We risking getting banned for Walmart for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like this video.
Rescue Bam.
Risking.
Risking Bam. How we risking Bam?
No, risking us from being banned from
Oh,
Walmart.
yeah, we try to get banned from that Walmart. How I look in the back? Is it like...
You got that
No,
yellow
it's
blue
good.
next
It's
time.
good. It's good.
Don't turn away from me. Yeah, Chad. We gonna we said we was gonna see them at Walmart, so
Yeah, well.
But
alright, man, what's good, YouTube, man? As y'all can see, bro, I got a new cut, man. I got a new hairstyle, man. I'm finna start my FreeForms up, man. Y'all see this? I got best barber in the city. Well, I'm gonna give y'all a little 360. My shit crispy on what, y'all? But yeah, man. Oh, see, look, I still got a dress coming out. Cause you know when they cut it and shit. But yeah, man. Bangers coming soon, bro. I just want to give y'all a little hair update because I haven't been posting like that. Haven't been giving, you know what I'm saying? I tried to give y'all a little vlog with a little hair update, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, my shit finna go crazy. Y'all see that? Hang time for real, man. Stop playing with the kid, but Radio, we back. Bangers every day. Watch. But I don't be having video ideas. But I'm making some gon' some. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let's get this video to 10 likes. Yeah, man, let's get this video to 10 likes. Come on, y'all could do it, cause y'all rock with your boy and I rock with y'all. So yeah, go ahead and like up the video. It's free, it don't hurt. Just sign an account and make an account like mine. Gang.